Very good evening. So today I will discuss about the Najdrup cyclization. It is a very important question for upcoming exam CSIR June 2020 because by CSIR from 2016 to 2020 this question is not coming in this exam. So this question is very important. So today I will discuss. So this reaction is particularly catalyzed by Lewis acid. So this is a Lewis acid catalyzed reaction. Either the reaction takes place in presence of AlCl3 or AlBr3. So here regioselectivity does not take place. Regioselectivity is a very important factor for this reaction. What is regioselectivity? If we, R and R dash both the substituent are equal or are same, then regioselectivity does not takes place. No regioselectivity takes place in cyclization if the chain have same degree of substitution. That means R and R dash if same substitution, then no regioselectivity will be takes place. This is a very simple mechanism. First protonation takes place, then cyclization, then the product will be formed. That means if R and R dash are same, then regioselectivity does not take place. That means the double bond will be formed either in left side or right side. That means after cyclization the double bond will form in this side or in this side. If R and R dash are the substituent are in same, no regioselectivity takes place. Double bond form either in this side or this side. Then come to regioselectivity. So regioselectivity is very important question. So in CSR the question is does not comes directly. So regioselectivity part will be must come. So what is the regioselectivity? The product generated having the double bond with the highest degree of substitution. That means after the formation of product, the double bond will form at the highest degree of substitution side. That means here in right side the degree of substitution is less, but here in the left side the degree of substitution is more. So that means the double bond will form at the highest degree of substitution side. So why this is will be takes place? Here R and R dash and R double dash are alkyl group. That is the mechanism. The mechanism it takes place in same manner. But here since the double bond will form at that side, that means the positive charge will be formed here in this side, the left side. That means if the positive charge will form, that must be stabilized by the alkyl group, because here only one alkyl group is present, here two alkyl group must be present. So that means the double bond will be shift from that left side. So left side, that means the positive charge will be formed and that carbocation will be stabilized by the alkyl group. That is the key point of regioselectivity. That is the key point of regioselectivity. That plus carbocation can be stabilized by the alkyl group. So that means the positive charge will form at the left side and then will be elimination takes place and the double bond will be formed that side where more substituted. That means degree of substitution is more. That is very important thing. So here I will explain that. That means this is the double bond. In one side, that means electron donating group will be present. In another side, electron withdrawing group will be present. That means where the electron donating group EDG, that means electron donating group is present, that is vinyl nucleophile in nature, and that vinyl group will be electrophilic in nature because electron withdrawing group will be present. Lewis acid catalyzed reaction takes place and the double bond will be formed after ring closing at the electron donating group side. You just see that the double bond will form at the electron donating group side. So why this usually takes place? Same reason, after the double bond will be transferred, the positive charge will be formed. The positive charge will be formed that will be stabilized by the nearer oxygen atom because due to resonance, due to electron donating in nature. But here, if the double bond will be that shift to that side, the positive charge will be formed with this side, then it will be destabilized by the electron withdrawing group COOMe. So that does not take place. So positive charge will be shift. So double bond will be shift from that side. It is very important, and it is also important the oxygen lone pair and this oxygen lone pair will be chelated by the Lewis acid. That means this is the chelation stabilized. So electron donating group, just like heteroatom oxygen atom, it is very important for chelation stability of Lewis acid. So the reaction will be takes place and according to the mechanism the double bond will be formed. Finally double bond will form at that side and the elimination will be regioselective elimination. That side takes place because here electron donating group oxygen is present in the left side, so double bond will form at the left side. So this is very important regioselective reaction. That means when electron withdrawing group present is at that side and electron donating group is present at that side, so product form after ring closing, the double bond will form at the electron donating side. Here the electron donating side is oxygen. This is the another important thing, regioselectivity of silicon to stabilize the beta carbocations. This is very important, directly coming in the CSIR NET exam. You can see that here when silicon group will be present. That means if silicon group will be present, then the product will form after ring closing, the double bond will form at that silicon side. Where silicon is present after removing silicon, here silicon, that means double bond will form at that side after ring closing, after that side. Why this will be takes place? Because silicon will stabilize the beta carbocation. Silicon will stabilize the beta carbocation. That means after ring cyclization from that side, this is alpha. The silicon attached to direct carbon atom alpha, that is beta. That means this carbocation will be stabilized by silicon after elimination. So after elimination, this beta carbocation will be stabilized by silicon. So definitely the double bond will form at that side where silicon group will be present. This is a very important and excellent regioselectivity. So generally, Najdrup cyclization is a 4-pi conrotatory electrocyclization reaction. So here the same thing will happen. That means the conrotatory ring closing will be takes place. That means if the conrotatory ring closing will be takes place, the stereochemistry is just like that. One phenyl group is upper side and another phenyl group is lower side. It is very important thing. Here we can see that if we see the S trans, this is S trans, S cis and S cis, S cis, then this S trans will be favorable for Najdrup cyclization, and this will be not favorable. Only S trans structure will be favorable for Najdrup cyclization. Here not possible because due to steric hindrance between S cis, and this is also S trans S cis will be not possible. And this is very important, Najdrup cyclization by dichlorocyclopropane rearrangement reaction. That means here Najdrup cyclization takes place followed by rearrangement reaction. Here rearrangement takes place, oxygen lone pair will be delocalized, chlorine will be removed as a AgCl, silver chloride. Then further cyclization takes place, the product will be formed. You can see that it is a very important thing. So Najdrup cyclization takes place by dichlorocyclopropane rearrangement reaction. The final part, here the silicon is also present, that is act as a chiral auxiliary. Chiral auxiliary means they can control the stereoselectivity of the reaction. According to Lewis acid, the reaction will takes place and the product will be that. This is the suitable mechanism because silicon is present from that side. I was already told that from that side the ring will be closed, and the ring will be closed, the mechanism will takes place and the positive charge will be formed here, that is beta 2, this is silicon, this is alpha, this is beta 2 silicon, and then elimination of silicon, the product will be formed, that is also beta carbocation stabilized by silicon. It is very important. So thank you. You must see this video. It is a very important video for upcoming CSIR NET exam, and please subscribe, share my channel. Thank you.